Yo guys, today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get rich on the game Lords Mobile. So this works on iPhone and Android in 2025. So if you guys are poor in Lords Mobile, I feel for you and I understand your predicament because who wants to spend money on a mobile game? So let's go to hexmods.com, modded website covered in modded apps. Type in Lords, find Lords Mobile mod, press on it, press the download button, and it's going to start downloading. Now before it downloads, you may see something come up that tells you that you have to download missing files. This is normal, guys. It's not something that is uncommon in the industry. It's necessary to protect the server so the mod can stay secure. So as you can see, it says complete 2 free apps or surveys to finish installing the Lords Mobile mod. So there's going to be all these apps here. So I'm going to do Travel Town. You got to download it, reach level 10. So you would just download the app, press install, wait for it to download, and then just reach level 10. So pretty easy, guys. As you can see, it is downloading right now. So you just got to let it download and then you're going to be all set. So we'll just wait for it to finish. And then there's some other ones too. But for instance, Travel Town told me I had to be on level 10. So I'll just press play and then I'll just reach level 10, bro. So it's that easy. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you later. But yeah, just do the apps and stuff. Fairly easy to do. So yeah, this one for instance was the level 10 requirement. Some of the games are different. They're all pretty different, honestly. But anyway, guys, then we've got Merge Gardens. You got to reach level 9. So just do 2 of them, guys. And then you have to reach level 9 on this one. So yeah, it's pretty easy though. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's how to get the Lords Mobile modded version for your device. So yeah, it's super epic. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you're interested in this. Peace out.